Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Filmora in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use green screen video to edit your video. So I have a example 3 clips here. I have 2 green screen video and 1 example video clips here. So I'm just going to drag and drop in the timeline here, and you can see this is just a example video here. So I'm gonna use the green screen video now and drag and drop top of the video here. And now if I play the video here, you can see it's just only the green screen video. So I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen. So you just have to click on the video here, and you can see there's an option called chroma key. So you just have to click the tick mark here, the box here, just click here, and you can see the green screen is removed now. So you can also use the offset tolerance, edge thickness and edge feather to use how you want to use your green screen. So if you use the offset here, you can see the background is changing. So let's just take it in the middle here, and you can use the tolerance option here to use the color, and edge thickness will make the border more glowy. So make sure what you want to do with your these settings here, just then you just have to click OK. And now if I play the video now you can see it's the green screen video is added to the video. Also if you want to make the video smaller, so just click the video and just make it smaller like this, and you can place wherever you want to use this green screen video. So let's just click OK, and if I play the video again, now you can see the eagle is smaller. So that's it guys, this is how you use green screen video in Filmora 9. So if you don't know how to find this green screen video, you just go to the browser, go to the YouTube and search for green screen clip, and you can find lots of green screen from YouTube, and you can download it and you can then use it in Filmora to use in video edit. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.